to sign in Pokemon Go with Google account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can sign in with Google accounts on your Pokemon Go. So signing into Pokemon Go with your Google account is a straightforward process. As a 2024 here's a process how you can do that. So for the new user, you have to install the Pokemon Go app on your mobile device from your Play Store for the Android device or the Apple Store for iOS device. If you haven't downloaded that, just go for your Play Store and search for the Pokemon Go on the search bar. So once you have searched for the Pokemon Go, here you can find the Pokemon Go. You have to just install in your device. So wait until the installation has been successfully completed. So once you have installed the Pokemon Go on your device, just go for the open option and open it on your device. Launch the Pokemon Go app on your device. So here you can see that Pokemon Go has been opening on my device. Wait until the open has been successfully completed. So here you have to enter your birth date. Just go and enter your birth date here. So after that you have to tap on the submit option and you have to go for the new player. So if you are a new player on your Pokemon Go, just tap on the new player option here. So here you can see that if you want to log in with your Google account, you have to just tap on the Google account. You have to create account with the Google. Just tap on the create a Google account and go for the allow option and you have to allow access to your Pokemon Go. This is your Google account. Here just go for the while using this app here. And here you have to allow the all permission on your Pokemon Go. So once you have allowed the all permission on your Pokemon Go, if you have a referral code, just go for the referral code. If you don't have, just tap on the continue option and accept it. And after that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions to continue with your account. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account. Here, just you have to customize your looks for your Pokemon Go. Just tap on the next option here. And they will provide you on-screen instructions here. So you have to just go and catch the Pokemon that you want here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily sign into your Pokemon Go with your Google account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. That's it for today. If you like